how to play Roblox without downloading it on laptop. The first thing you want to do is use now.gg to play Roblox in a browser. Now.gg is a cloud gaming platform that allows you to play Roblox directly in your web browser without downloading or installing the app. The first thing you want to do is open up your preferred browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Now go to now.gg Roblox page and click on the Play in Browser button. Log into your Roblox account with your credentials and select a game from the available experiences and start playing instantly. This method streams Roblox from now.gg servers so that it works even on devices with limited storage or lower specs. Access Roblox through the official website. Although Roblox typically requires its app for gameplay, some users have reported limited browser-based functionality for specific games. To do this, you want to open up your browser and go to the official Roblox website, which is roblox.com. Log into your account or create one if needed, and browse games in the Discover section. Click on Play on a game of your choice. And one note is that this method may redirect you to download the app. If it does, the game requires advanced features. You can also troubleshoot region restrictions, so if now.gg is not available in your region, use a VPN service to connect to your supported region. You can also disable ad blockers as they could interfere with now.gg's functionality. Keep in mind that only do this if the law allows you to in your country. Make sure that your internet requirements are supported. So to ensure smooth gameplay, use a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps speed and close unnecessary tabs or background applications to optimize performance. Some important notes is that playing via now.gg may include ads unless you subscribe to premium services. You should also remember that not all Roblox games will be fully optimized for browser-based play. Always ensure your account credentials are secure when logging into third-party platforms. By following these steps, you can enjoy Roblox on your laptop without downloading it. Subscribe.